Steve here, RCM with the Losi lmt. I want to show something to you guys. I use this shoe glue, or you could use the goop glue. You probably get it for like $5 or less a tube, depending on the size. What I did with mine, I have a video coming up after this I'm going to show you. I put it on the axles really thick, and this is after 24 hours drying. And I tried to bend the axle a little bit like I did in my other video, and you can feel this, it's really strong, it feels really good. So I think this may stop the axle from breaking because it won't flex as much, but I gotta let it dry for another 2 days. They say leave it for like 3 days to fully cure, and then I'm just gonna run it. If it ever breaks, I'll let you know. But if you may want to try this out, something cheap to do. That's what it looks like after you put it on. And like I said, you may want to give this a go. What do you got to lose but a $5 tube of goop glue or shoe glue? And you won't even lose that because you could use the rest of it on other projects. So you may want to try this out, guys. Here's the video coming up to show you how I did it. Alright, next is the goop shoe glue method. You could use household goop. It'd probably be even better because it's a little stiffer than this. The good thing about goop is if you build it up on something, and after it's cured, if you grab it with like a needle nose pliers, you could pull it slowly and get it off. That's why I like using the goop style of glues. Well, anyway, you want to clean up your axle with rubbing alcohol and probably a toothbrush first and get any dirt off. I already cleaned mine, so I'm just going to use some alcohol on a little rag here. This is rubbing alcohol. I'm going to do both sides. Well, that didn't hold up. I'll find a better way to hold this so you guys could see it. Alright, now that the alcohol is fully dry, you want to get something like a Q-tip and cut the end off so you can put your glue on. Just get it right in the seam. Press it in a little bit in that seam. Right up against the edge here. And you want to put a nice bead where it's a few millimeters thick off to each side. I'll show you this up close when it's done. You could smooth this out. With your wet finger. You want a nice thick bead. I believe this will make it stronger for you guys. Smooth it right out. Couple millimeters thick on there. Alright, I'm going to do the other side, then I'll show you what it looks like up close. And here's the poor man's goop glue job. You can see how that looks. Let me see here if I could show you. That's how it is. Just like that. So if you want to do that and give it a try, I think it'll definitely help with the axles to make them stronger. You can see how thick I put it on. You want to put it a couple millimeters thick. And also, guys, you want to try to hold your truck up straight up against something so the axles are flat so the glue don't spread a lot. Just keep every once in a while, look at it. You may have to put like water on your finger and move it around. I didn't have any problems. Seems to be working good. Alright guys, if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all you guys' support. Shen RC, and I'll see you next time.